Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is from the Palace Skateboards.com. I bought the Burning Snake long sleeve. I got 4 of those long sleeve, $58 each. I got pool green, gray marl, blue, black, and all of them are size medium. So total is $232 plus $12 shipping. Total become $244. So I'm glad I caught everything and then just pay one shipping. At first I thought I was gonna be sold out quickly, but I'm not sure if the Palace Skateboard.com it is dead or what is going on, because last week they did not drop. And then upcoming week, I'm not sure they're even gonna drop or not, because there were so many their items sitting on the shelf. Anyway, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. I believe they have an invoice in here. Yep. Oh no, this is the return form. This is the receipt. Yeah, so here it goes. Long sleeve. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 232 plus 12, 244. So be sure to whoever initialed this. Is that OK or OIL? But anyway, they're supposed to have their initial, whoever packed this package, in case you guys your order is incorrect. Maybe they will need to fire the guy who works there, or give them the ultimatum. So let's go ahead and get this unbag. Oh man, only got one sticker for all 4 of this. Are you kidding me? Last time they gave me a whole bunch of it. Well, one is better than nothing. So let's go ahead and check this out. So it is in a clear Ziploc bag with this Trifer logo. This one is the pool green color, Burning Snake long sleeve, size medium. That is the barcode. And then this one is the blue color. Okay. Then got the black color. And then you got the marl gray. Alright. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. I'm not sure why I even got the green print, maybe because my son said he likes it, but yeah, he told me he likes this one, but normally the green one is not too popular, so let's see. So you got the cobra snake. I'm not sure if it's smoking weed or what is that. So I like how the Palace for their long sleeve shirt. It is pretty nice. And their fabric, it is much smoother than the Supreme, but unfortunately it is not as popular as Supreme. So, and then this is the Palace, and then size medium right there. And then on the back, yes, tissue wrapping paper. See how they fold it is kind of nice. I gotta learn how to fold it correctly. I'm gonna put it back. So on the back you got this graphic design, pretty awesome. Oh my god. It seems like it's a couple smear or defect. Not sure you guys can see it. Maybe I take a picture, file complaint, so I don't know. Sometimes they give you guys a 10% discount. Last time I was going to return the size. I think I ordered size medium, and then they shipped me a size large. And then they said they're going to give me 10% for me to keep it. I said, no, the large size does not fit me. So maybe you guys could make something up and then get like an additional 10% discount. So anyway, you got this nice circle with this P, Palace P all around the circle. And then you got two of the cobra facing opposite directions, smoking weed. All right. And then on the inside, you should have a label. There you go. Got the Palace skateboard, and on the back, you should have the burning snake long sleeve, 100% cotton. So you know this is legit. Made in Vietnam, 100% cotton. All right. So every time you got this tissue paper, plus you got this silica gel, okay, to keep the dry from moist. Let's take out every color that you guys see. Then this one has like a blue cobra. There's your silica gel again. So this one is much better. There's no smear or defect. Okay, so you got the same design, two cobra P around it. $58. I think it's kind of pricey, but better than 70 or something bucks from Supreme. And this is the black color, almost same color as the marl gray, the snake, the cobra snake. So check it out real quick. Silica gel. Oh no, it got stuck. That's why they have this tissue paper, because of the paint. Sometimes if the heat gets into it, and then the paint start melting. So this tissue paper prevent from getting into the fabric in case they fold it. That's why. And then this keep it dry, keep the paint dry. All right. So I guess the weed looks more like a grayish color instead of white. So move on to the last piece, or last color. This one is with the green cobra. Silica gel, keep it dry. Ooh, pretty nice. All right, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to stay tuned for the try-on body fit to see how it fit. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace. All right, guys. So I'm gonna do a try on body for you guys to see real quick. It's gonna be kind of lengthy because I've got like 6 pieces of the clothing to wear. Peace.